x plus 3 is cancelled, not cancelled are x plus 3 on the numerator, x minus 3 on the denominator, and that is now the simplest form of the Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will discuss simplifying rational algebraic expressions for grade 8 mathematics. In simplifying rational algebraic expression, it is the same with simplifying or reducing fraction to lowest term. Step 1, factor both numerator and denominator. Step 2, divide the numerator and denominator by their common factor or easy cancel all common factors. Example, reduce 24 over 60 to lowest term. First, factor the numerator. 24 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Factor also the denominator 60 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Then, cancel all the common factors between the numerator and denominator. And what is or are factors not cancelled will comprise the answer. For this example, it is 2 over 5. Therefore, the simplest form of 24 over 60 is 2 over 5. Exactly the same what we will do to simplify rational algebraic expressions. Number 1, simplify 15 x squared y over 48 xy. To simplify the same what we did before in fraction, basically, we will factor 15. 3 times 5, x squared and y, over the factors of 48 in prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 xy. Then cancel common. Cancel y, cancel x. There is remain 1x there. So we have 5 times x is 5x. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. Or we can also simplify 15x squared y over 48xy in this way. We know that 15 is 3 times 5 x squared y. We know that 48 is 3 times 16 xy. 3 is the so-called greatest common factor. So 3 is cancelled, y is cancelled, x squared, there is 1x there. 5 times x is 5x over 16. Number 2, simplify the rational algebraic expression 6x minus 24 all over 18x minus 72. First, the numerator, the common for 6x minus 24 is 6. 6x divided by 6 is x. 24 divided by 6 is minus 4. Common for the denominator is 18. 18x divided by 18 is x. 72 divided by 18 is minus 4. If you will notice, x minus 4 is common. Cancel them. Then we have 6 over 18. Divide them by 6. So we have 1 over 3 is the simplest form of the rational algebraic expression given. Next, number 3, simplify the rational algebraic expression x plus 4 all over 2x plus 8. In x plus 4, no to do is, or x plus 4 is already simplest form, so simply copy. Common to 2x and 8 is 2. 2x divided by 2 is x. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Cancel x plus 4. So no remain in the numerator. It means it has an imaginary 1 and 2 on the denominator. So we have 1/2. Number 4, simplify x squared plus 6x plus 9 all over x squared minus 9. The factors of the numerator is x plus 3 and x plus 3. And the factor of the denominator is difference of 2 square. The factors are conjugates, x plus 3 and x minus 3. x plus 3 is cancelled. Not cancelled are x plus 3 on the numerator, x minus 3 on the denominator, and that is now the simplest form of the given rational algebraic expression. Next, number 5, simplify 4 quantity x squared minus y squared all over 2 quantity x minus y. For x squared minus y squared, the factors are x plus y and x minus y, the difference of two squares, and copy. Then cancel common, cancel also 4 and 2, we have 2 here, so remain is 2 x plus y, or 2 times x is 2x, 2 times y is 2y. Next, number 6, factor x squared plus 3x minus 10 all over x squared minus 4x plus 4. We will factor first the numerator and the denominator. The factors of x squared are x and x. Since it is minus, we have plus and minus. The factors of 10 are 5 and 2. Middle term is positive, so 5 on positive, 2 on minus. The factors, perfect square trinomial, x and x, middle term is minus and minus, 2 and 2. Okay. Cancel x minus 2, so the simplest form is x plus 5 all over x minus 2. Another example for this video is to factor the rational expression 5x squared plus 10x plus 5 all over 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. First, to simplify is to factor the numerator and the denominator by trial and error method. The factors of 5x squared, or the numerator, the factors of 5x is 5x and x. Since it is positive and the middle term is positive, we have both. Plus, the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. To test if our factors are correct, 1 times x is x. 5x times 5 is 25x. 1 plus 25 is 26x. Our middle term is 10x, therefore this is not correct. Next is, we can interchange 5 and 1 and try the same. 5 times x is 5x. 5x times 1 is another 5x. 5 plus 5 is, we have 10x, equal now to the middle term. Therefore, this combination of factors are already correct. Do the same on the denominator. Factors of 3x squared are 3x and x. Same, plus and plus. Factors of 3 are 3 and 1. 3x times x is 3x. 3x times 1 is 3x. 3x plus 3x is 6x. The same with the denominator. Therefore, the two combinations of factors are still, or are already correct. Then cancel the common x plus 1, so we have 5x plus 5 all over 3x plus 3. Then we notice that on the numerator, 5 is common, so we will factor using 5 as common. 5x divided by 5 is x. 5 divided by 5 is plus 1. On the denominator, common is 3. 3x divided by 3 is x. 3 divided by 3 is plus 1. Cancel x plus 1. Therefore, the simplest form is 5/3. Or, in other way, we can do the following. We notice that in 5x squared plus 10x plus 5, 5 is common, or the greatest common factor. 5x squared divided by 5 is x squared. 10x divided by 5 is plus 2x. 5 divided by 5 is 1. The common on the denominator or the greatest common factor between 3x squared plus 6x plus 3 is 3. 3x squared divided by 3 is x squared. 6x divided by 3 is 2x. 3 divided by 3 is plus 1. After factoring using the common monomial factor, we notice that x squared plus 2x plus 1 is common between the numerator and denominator. So cancel them. So remain is 5/3. That is the simplest form. Muli, kung nagustuhan mo at nakatulong sa iyo ang video na ito, please like. At pakishare mo na rin para makatulong din tayo sa iba.